Yo, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm gonna show you how to open a simple account in 2025. It's gonna be a quick video. We're not gonna waste too much time on this one, so let's just jump straight into it. First thing you're gonna need to do is open a web browser on your computer or your mobile device and navigate to Simple's website. And you got to make sure that you have a stable internet connection and a compatible web browser. Now, once you're on Simple's website, all you got to do is click on Get Started button in the right corner of the page. Now, this button is usually highlighted in a prominent color to make it easy to find. So just find that Get Started button and click on that. And then in the required field, you got to enter your email address. This is going to be your primary contact email for your Simple account. So make sure to enter a valid email address that you have access to. Next, you're going to create a strong password for your Simple accounts. So your password should be at least 8 characters long and include a combination of uppercase and lowercase letters. You're also going to include numbers and a special character. Next, you're going to provide your personal information, including your name, address, and date of birth. Now, this information is required to verify your identity and comply with banking regulations. So I'll go ahead and provide those information, and then you're going to verify your identity by providing a government issued identification card, such as a driver's license or passport. So this step is required to comply with banking regulations, and also it's going to help to prevent identity theft. Next, once you're done with all those, you can just go ahead and fund your account with an initial deposit. So you can fund your account using a bank transfer, or you can do so with a mobile deposit, or any payment method that's accepted by Simple. And once you've completed all those steps, your account is going to be created successfully. That's pretty much it on how to open a Simple account in 2025. I hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found the information useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. And I'll see you guys in the next one.